Hello guys, and welcome to another Zimaleta. In today's video I want to show you this turbo right here. The turbo has an actuator leg which is right there, and this turbo actuator leg, it's actually not moving, so I'm not really sure if the actual turbo actuator is bad on this one. So what we're gonna do is we will pull this turbo actuator off. We're gonna inspect the leg. Guys, one of the leading causes with Sprinter not actually starting is actually due to your turbo. And it seems like why would this be the case? But think about this. Here's your exhaust manifold and it goes directly into the turbo. If the turbo channel is completely shut, you know, that means exhaust fumes cannot get out, therefore it cannot breathe. And if you cannot breathe, you cannot really start it, and it's also going to be really sluggish and weak once these things will start failing on you. But sometimes you know, these Sprinters, they have many different problems that lead to it not starting, and then you're thinking, oh, is that the turbo, is that the EGR, you know, what's happening here? What I'm gonna do, guys, in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and actually remove the turbo actuator, and that's what we're gonna do. We will need a 10mm. That's pretty much all we're gonna need. The only thing beside that, we're gonna need to unplug it. So hopefully this is enough room to where you could actually see what I'm doing. So normally when removing this turbo actuator, I cannot actually make a video that is showing you exactly what I'm doing back here because you can't really see the turbo actuator. But here it is, guys. It's right here. And there's this plug right there, and boy oh boy, this is not good already. This plug, it's actually, well, actually maybe not so bad. This plug has a cover which fell apart. Normally I don't see these type of covers on them. I mean, it probably shouldn't fall apart like it did, but it fell apart. So basically we just removed it. You should be pressing these things on the side for it to come out. So now all we do is remove these 10 bolts that's back here. So that particular bolt, the turbo resonator, is in the way. We will still be able to remove it because I'm just gonna get in there with something like a small wrench. You really don't need like a long like a deep socket. I have rust climbing, rust getting into my eyes. Please don't tell me I got an 11. Oh, that's 10. I think I already got that one loose, that's why. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hope you guys could see this. Okay, seems like it is still in the way. The turbo resonator is still in the way. Okay guys, while I'm removing these bolts, I do want to tell you something. You know, these Sprinters, because you know they work in the kind of conditions that they do, a lot of times they're around salt, usually depth north. Look how they rust. it would be a lot easier for me to remove it, guys, through the front where the turbo resonator is. The only reason I'm doing it like this, I'm giving you guys a real-time situation. This is what you're going to be doing. You're pretty much going to be over here. You would need to remove a turbo resonator, but you would be removing with the vehicle, it's still, front end would still be assembled. Kitty, you don't want me to pet you. My hands are dirty. So that's what you're going to be dealing with, guys. Real-time situation. I mean, underneath the vehicle, you're going to have a cat that's coming up to your face, trying to greet you. So that bolt, it's a lot longer, and turbo actuator, turbo resonator is in the way. This other bolt, there's no, at least there wasn't no place for me to grab it so I could start removing it. But we're almost done. There it goes, guys. It's just fill up. Okay, let me show you something. Okay. Guys, classic turbo actuator problem. You see this leg? Look, it's not even moving. So the actual turbo actuator might still be good because it shouldn't really rotate over here like that. But this leg, it shouldn't be like welded like that shut. So there is like a C-ring over here, and sometimes they get like so bad that it just doesn't do anything. Well, in this case, I'll be able to just do this to it. We possibly could reuse this turbo actuator. I would need to, maybe like put some diesel on it, dip it in something, or like spray down with diesel. This will help break free any of this stuff. So this is very, very typical. So in this situation, guys, there will be no way for this turbo actuator to do its job. Like this is the way it should be doing, guys. So then when this thing rotates, this leg will be able to go up and down by rotating. So this one isn't doing that. So it's actually preventing me from starting the van. The only reason we were able to start it up a few times is due to the fact that I actually had this suspicion that this was causing that. And what I did is I just removed a C-clamp from this side and I disconnected it. So this allowed me to actually, basically avoid this type of problem. So now here's a turbo resonator. I could technically remove it, but right now the rain is just too much. So we're just gonna put that over here. I already have a video with me removing the turbo resonator. Chances are I have several videos already on it. So now it's beginning to rain really bad, so I have to put these things up. Well, anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like this video for the effort that I put into these videos, and subscribe, and come back and see more of my videos. I think it's going to be fun. Well, take care of yourself, and God bless you guys. Bye-bye. My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter Expediter business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.